Think your hot flashes, mood swings, and hormonal chaos can all be fixed with HRT? Not if you ignore your gut health. It holds the key to hormonal balance. Hello, food lovers. Ready for delicious midlife? Your gut isn't just about digestion. It's a major player in regulating your hormones. When your gut bacteria is out of balance, estrogen can pile up and re-enter your system, triggering night sweats and emotional roller coasters that nobody signed up for. Ignoring your gut means ignoring the root cause of many of your symptoms, like bursting into tears because someone finished the milk or snapping at your partner for breathing too loudly. Shh, all good. Here's how to fix it. Dig into that sauerkraut, kimchi, or kefir to give your gut some love. Have at least 30 different plant foods a week to diversify your microbiome and stop thinking of your gut as just a digestive machine. It's the control panel keeping your hormones in check. If you're ready to glide through menopause like it's a first-class holiday, join the Midlife Reset program today. That's it from me. Now go and be fabulous.